Hey traders, it's Rod with VPT Live. A quick update video on Bank of America. Kind of been a position I've talked about a lot, actually this entire year back since these lows that we hit at about 15.20. We've been buying calls all along the way. We've had the February, March, April, May, and now we're into the June calls. And we started to scale out of a pretty sizable position today for some nice winners. So I just wanted to touch base on that and touch on a few quick concepts first. So one of the things that you'll hear me talk a lot about with Bank of America, the reason I really like it is the first reason is the volume. So this is typically one of the largest single stock options that's available. Why is that important? It's the spreads are great. You can get in and out of a lot of contracts and a lot of size. Two, it's a low cost stock in and of itself. So let me try writing the word low again. There we go. It's a low cost stock in and of itself. So you're talking about here a $16, well, it's $17 now. It's pushing up to $17. I've talked about it being above 18 by the end of the year. It's going to be very dependent on interest rates, and it's somewhat of a proxy for the market, but the financials are kind of doing their own thing. So from the 15 level here back up to getting close, so just about a $3 range that it's put in the last 6 months. But it's still a very low-cost stock. Low-cost stock means low-cost options. Low-cost options mean that based on your risk management and sizing, you can take larger positions in some of these things. And the final thing that I like a lot is that now we are, we're trading a nice trend. Okay, so it's been trending up. It's been trending up this entire cycle since May, and we're starting to see the beginning of an interest rate rising environment. Sorry, we got a dog barking outside or something like that. All right, so for all those reasons, that's why we like Bank of America. And now I'm really hoping that we get a bit of a pullback because we went from a couple hundred contracts to just having about 10 today. So let's take a look at it on the what it looks like on actually the chart of the option. All right, so in the chart of the option here, you can clearly see. I love the most of the brokers. This is Option House. Are going to give you charts of the option as well, and you can trade option charts the chart of the derivative the same way you would anything else, right? So you can see nice support down here, where right around 60 cents, and we got in. Let's see. I think I have to turn that off. We'll take a look at some of these trades. So there's 10 at 66 cents. That's $660, folks. $66 a contract. There's 62. Bought a little bit more at 25, so that's about 45 contracts there in this particular account. And then you can see scaled out here at 71, 73. That's not big profit, but on that, that's probably a few $100s. And then today, 84 cents, and then a nice tick up here at 94 cents. And if we take a look, I believe it closed at near its highs, 97 cents by 95 cents. So a nice 50% return so far. On the majority of it, some of them even a higher return. So we're going to continue to talk about Bank of America for all those reasons. And if you're newer to options, this is just a perfect way to sort of put your toe in the water and begin to understand directional options for all the reasons I just mentioned. High volume option, low cost stock, and a nice trending stock so that we can get on the long side. I do believe that the CBOE and some others offer some paper trading accounts, and you can also go to vptlive.com, go to resources. I think we have a link to the CBOE where you can sign up for a free paper trading account that has the same interface as Option Monster. All right, we'll leave it there for now. This is Rod with VPT Live, reminding you always trade like you mean it. If you're new to this video or want to find out more about how we trade options directionally for daily income, go to vptlive.com and check us out there. Thanks. We'll see you at the next update.